Circuit courts refers to a movable court, in which the judge holds court sessions at several different locations for pre-specified periods of time. In effect, the judge rides the circuit from town to town and takes the court with him or her. Formerly, the federal district courts of appeal were called the circuit courts of appeal. Once the federal district court has decided a case, the case can be appealed to a United States Court of Appeals. There are 12 federal circuits that divide the country into different regions. The Fifth Circuit, for example, includes the states of Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. Cases from the district courts of those states are appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit, which is headquartered in New Orleans, Louisiana. Additionally, the Federal Circuit Court of Appeals has a nationwide jurisdiction over very specific issues such as patents.